To disassemble your Beretta 92FS, simply take out the magazine, check the chamber, force the trigger back down, press in the selector button here, press down this lever, launching the slide forward. Lower is completed. Take your upper barrel, press down on the spring and notch. Taking off the spring, you will have a guide right here. For the barrel, simply push down or forward, doesn't really matter. Simply easy just pushing up, in my opinion. But just picking it out like that, flipping it over, letting it drop down. Take out your barrel. You have your slide. Then you can also denotch this by just simply sliding it out. Then to put it back together, simply place the barrel back through its original hole here, letting it drop down into these two slots. Take your connecting rod and spring here, then simply place it through the second hole. Then compress your spring to the guiding notch right there. Take your lower, slide it back on through those two notches, pull it back, flip the switch, latch it back on, connected, ready to go.